I wish I had taken a video of this before I started working on it, but we found this vanity in a Facebook Marketplace ad. You can see how old it is, but it was like in a old garage, and I have been working on restoring it. We just got some new wood to put on these tops. I think we're going to do that. Right over there is the mirror and the drawers. I already got those stripped down, sanded all down. And like I said, I'm working on this. I'm going to post videos as I progress. Hopefully. I get this all going here. We're trying to come up with some ideas on this, where this board is in here fluted, and we're thinking we're just going to replace this board, knock it out somehow, get it out of there, and then Rich can take a router and make some fluting in the pieces that we replace. But that's it so far.